Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. And it's so important to have a realtor that has construction training on your side throughout the process from start to finish, whether the house is being built from scratch or it's an inventory house, or maybe you're buying a used resale house. You want somebody on your side that can help you to identify defects with a house, helping the buyers purchase better homes throughout the state of Florida. That's really my goal. You know, everybody should have a well-built house because let's face it, when you have a well-built house, after the home is yours and you own it, well, eventually all the repairs are going to fall on you. Now, if you're a first-time home buyer, I do suggest calling some roofing companies, stucco companies, siding companies, plumbers, electricians, HVAC. Call them and ask them how much it costs to repair a house, how much it costs to, make modifications, whatever might interest you. That way you could get a better idea of how much it would cost you in the event you buy a house that has defects. So with that said, it could very easily cost hundreds, thousands of dollars to make repairs. So that should be, every buyer's number one goal, is to purchase a house that has as little issues as possible through a smart and logical series of steps. So I'm at the back of the house right now, which is the Destin from DR Horton, and I decided to do this a little bit backwards just because how beautiful it is back here. There's two inventory homes. Got another one sitting over here, and it's just simply beautiful. Like all you hear is the bugs, and maybe a bird here and there. And do keep in mind, I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer's agent. I do not work for or represent any home builder, so I'm on your side from start to finish. On your side, loyal to you as the buyer. Look at that. Big driveway, 3-car garage. Just a beautiful house. And please check out my website at richnotohomes.com. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me.
At richnotohomes.com, find the house you're looking for in Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area. Are you interested in a full-time living residential house or a vacation home? Investing in a rental income property? Thinking about selling your home? Look no further than richnotohomes.com. Dependable help from start to finish. Don't make a mistake along the way. Go to richnotohomes.com.
All right, so let's go inside and have a look at this house. This is the 3-car garage Destin model from DR Horton. Again, at the farm at Varrea. It's beautiful. Beautiful, large driveway. I'm gonna back up just to point this out. I mean, you can see you got a 3-car garage, but you could probably put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, probably 6 cars in this driveway without any issues. So this house is not fully completed yet. It's getting close to it, so probably a few weeks until it can close. Now, I don't think I've ever seen one of these before, so I'm pretty excited about it. Wow, that's huge. Oh my God. You know what? I'm gonna go left. I'm gonna go left because I feel like I'm getting excited about it. Nice large bedroom. Or, whatever you want to do with this room. This is a big room. Look at that. I'm really excited to go see that kitchen and living room section. So, big closet. Of course, the closet uses the whole length of the wall, which is nice. And full bathroom. And then another bedroom. And a pretty good sized bedroom. I feel like this bedroom has to be like 13 feet by something. maybe 13 by 12 or 13 by 13. I feel like it has to be that large. I could be wrong. This is a big room. This empty space is just mind-blowing. Let's see if there's more lights. I guess in the kitchen. Ah, there. All right, so we have the laundry room, and let's see what we have here. HVAC closet with some extra storage. So yeah, really big garage, but it's to be expected when you have a 3-car. Three-car garage are just so nice, even if you don't think you need a 3-car garage. And if you have 2 cars, you probably need a 3-car garage. 3-car garage, at the very least, it's going to give you extra storage space. So, you know, you could park your car, you know, maybe park 2 on one side, and then have this whole other space. Let's do this. And then have this whole other space over here just for storage. You know, maybe you want to put, you know, holiday decorations and toys, and maybe turn it into a gym as well. So that's the great thing about the 3-car garage, is that it has a lot of flexibility. Okay, so wonderful garage. I'm excited because I haven't seen some of these floor plans today. So again, here's your laundry room. Now the pantry, okay, so pretty standard size pantry. You can see you can see I just stepped into it. So, you know, typical pantry. There it is. Okay, so big room, like I said, I was pretty amazed by it. And it's just that, it's a big room. Okay, so very large island, and you can see the island is a little bit rounded on one side. And that's typically so that you could seat more people around it. It helps. So you could probably put 4 people right across easily. And let's see what we have over here. This is, I guess, another bedroom. And a full bathroom. So there's a bedroom and a full bathroom over here. So it's almost like you have a second master bedroom. But I'm guessing this is going to be the master bedroom. And your covered patio. Wow, what a great view. Beautiful. So that's nice because all you have to do is really just screen in the one side. So this has to be the master bedroom. Probably the largest room of the, I don't know, what do we see? 3? 3 others? Maybe this is the 4th? So the Destin model, DR Horton's Destin. Farm at Varrea. Well, maybe it's Varrea. And then a shower. Wow, it's a big closet. Okay. So we're going to turn this around and we'll do a walkout. So, yeah, this closet is a big one. There's no doubt about it. So I think if you need a house with a pretty large closet, and I don't know, what is this? The toilet in the closet room? Yeah, toilet in the closet room. Nothing exciting there. You got your 2 sinks, and again, this is the master bedroom. So, master bedroom. And then we walk off into this room, and I think that this room is really the focal point of the house because it's just such a large room, and it's crazy how big it is. So we had a bedroom in that corner, with an amazing view, and then okay, so there was 2 bedrooms up front over here. That's right. So we had that bedroom and this bedroom over here. So I think if you want a single-story house, but you want a single-story house that potentially has like 2 masters, where one's like the mini, and to me that's like a mini master bedroom because it has its own bathroom connected to it. If you want a good amount of countertop space, if you want a 3-car garage, and you want a very large central area, you know, I think this is a great house. And the backyard just looks amazing. I think maybe we should go take a walk back there and see what that backyard looks like. Oh wow, it's beautiful. Let's turn this around. Boy, isn't that beautiful? And that's the rear of the house.